Here you can see guys, I have a building model which I have downloaded from Blender Kit, and I will expand my timeline by clicking here, and I click on this icon and change my timeline to shader editor. Now it is set to object. I will change it to world, and now I'm going to render view. So it is a 3D world which is in gray color right now. You can control its color from here. First we have to add light in our world. So I will press Shift A and search for sky texture. So now we have a sky texture, and I will connect this color value to color. So now we have this yellow sky, and we want more bluish sky. So how we can do this? I will increase this ozone value and set it to 10, and I will decrease the strength of this background node like 0.4 or 5. So I will set it to 0.4, and as you can see here we have sun, and I will increase the size of the sun because large sun creates soft shadows, and we want soft shadows right now. I have set the sun size to 40, and here we have sun rotation, and I will rotate the sun like this. So now sunlight is coming from this direction. And friends, I will also decrease this dust value and set to 0. And now we have air value. I will set it to 0.6. Alright, so now friends, we have a bluish sky. Now we need some clouds. So how we can add clouds? I will press Shift A and search for add shader node. So now we have add shader node. With this node, we can add multiple shaders, and I will place it here. Alright, and I will click on this background node, and I will press Shift D to duplicate this node. And this node is selected. You can see I will press backspace. So backspace will reset this node. Alright, and I will click this dot to this dot, and I will press Shift A and search for noise texture to create some clouds. And I will Control Shift left click on noise texture to directly preview it. So here we have noise texture. I will press Shift A and search for color amp node, and I will place it after noise texture node. Alright, so you can see guys, this noise is having a very soft gradient. So we have to increase this black value and this white value to sharpen the texture. Alright, and now I will click this color amp value to background node, and I will connect this add shader node to output. Now we can see some low poly clouds. So what we will do, we will adjust the scale value in noise texture. Right now I will set this to 3, and we have a detail value. I will increase this to 5. Now we have little bit of detail in our clouds. Alright, now we have liquidity value. I will set it to 3. Now we have some detail in our clouds, and we can control this by this color amp. You can control the intensity or whiteness of the cloud with this white knob, and with this black knob you can control how much clouds you want in your scene. So like this we can create wonderful sky texture. And friends, you can also control the intensity or visibility of the cloud with this background node. You can set to low value if you want very light clouds. So friends, this is how you can create the wonderful sky with some clouds in Blender. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.